Hi everyone, today we are doing a workout. I've devised this one especially for postpartum moms. You can start doing it as soon as you feel strong enough and capable. I would recommend to be careful and pace yourself. If anything feels a little bit too strenuous, rather take a rest or just do the ones that feel comfortable for you, because it's going to take a few weeks to slowly build up your strength and regain those muscles that stretched or degraded during the pregnancy. Just enjoy the process. Enjoy your baby. He or she is only going to be so tiny for a little while. I've been doing these workouts for a few weeks now. Since about 6 weeks postpartum, I started engaging a bit more. The reason why I wanted to make this video for you is because I know how you don't have time. You don't have blocks of time that you can just set aside with a newborn baby. The whole thinking behind this workout is you can do little snippets of these exercises when you are burping your baby or winding him. In that way, you are getting in a workout and you will also feel less frustrated because you are actually getting something else done while you're doing your baby, basically working on your postpartum body, which is the time to be working on it. I would recommend not to leave it till a later stage because it really helps you get out of the baby blues. It gives you a sense of control and it's invigorating. It puts you in a good frame of mind. So if you're a first-time mom, you're probably really shocked at what your tummy looks like after you've delivered your baby. It's not so obvious while you're pregnant because the fat is stretched out across a large area, but once it shrinks down, there can be quite a bit still sitting there and it will surprise you. So don't worry, it does go away and it does take about 9 months. First time round it will be a bit quicker, but I'm on my third time round and I've had to just be patient with myself. What I have done is slowly built up my workout routine. I would literally just start with tummy tightening exercise on the edge of my bed and exhaling. All the air is out of my lungs. My stomach is tight. I'm holding it in, breathing very lightly, and that is called the vacuum. So you hold it there for about 5 to 10 seconds, breathing lightly, and breathe. This you can do wherever you are, at any time that it occurs to you. Do this throughout the day and it will help tighten your core muscles and really pinch in your waist again. But one thing you need to understand, if you haven't heard of diastasis recti or recti, also known as ab separation, this happens during pregnancy to accommodate your baby. Basically, your abs run into muscle lines across your stomach, and during pregnancy the connective tissue between the abs stretches, and after you've delivered you will have a gap between your abs. And this is actually very normal because it has this medical term. It might sound a little like a condition, but it's simply a natural process by which your body accommodates this large package inside you. So don't worry about it. It can be fixed. There are lots of exercises, and the exercises I'm going to give you now deal with that. But there are also a lot of exercises you shouldn't perform after delivery, such as crunches, push-ups, planks, and sit-ups. Those are the main big no-nos. Please be careful, don't do them. They are going to worsen the ab separation. Do exercises that start from the very internal muscles, such as the ones I'm going to show you now. I'll show you how to test for ab separation so you can know how bad yours is. Some women don't really get anything like that. I definitely do have. Mine's about a finger's width. You lie flat on your back and then just raise yourself up in a crunching position, and you'll feel the muscles are very hard on the sides. Stick your finger down in the middle between them. I can get one finger in there. Some people can get 2 or 3. That's usually a bit more severe. You can feel all the way down the middle. You do get different kinds of ab separation. Some are this sort of shape. Some are entire, where it's the same width all the way down. You might only have a little hole in the middle. It all depends. Mine is somewhat like that. So now you know what you have to work on. Other core workouts that you can do while you're breastfeeding, while you're holding the baby, while you're sitting anywhere. There's some tummy tightening exercises which include the vacuum, which I just showed you, and also simply pulling in your stomach and holding it really firmly as hard as you can. So remember to breathe while you do this. Very light breathing, but keep your stomach and your core engaged. Pull in that belly button, and over time you will feel the muscles are strengthening and your waist is pulling in a bit. So great things to do. It doesn't take much, especially because you will be spending so much time just holding the baby, recovering. It's a great time just to work on your body, and at the same time you're spending time with this precious little gift that you have. If at any point you feel you need to rest or relax, take a break. I have been doing this workout for about 3 weeks now, so my body is getting stronger. If you've just started, you will need to take breaks or even do a little bit less. So I'm doing 20 of each. If you're getting tired, maybe just do 10. Okay, so we're going to start off with a little bit of a warm-up. Just do a bit of a jiggle while you're at it. Baby might be niggly. It's going to really help get those winds out. So just get those legs moving. Enjoy your little hug and cuddle with your child. Tell your muscles that there is something to be expected of them shortly. Now we do what I call the baby lift. This is great for your core and your arms. So you're going to be working out the entire top half of your body. Keep your core engaged and keep a good grip on your little one, and go down as low as you can, slowly and carefully, and as high as you can. If your baby starts to slide, just rearrange your hold on him and keep going. But this is really good for calming him down. If he's uncomfortable, if he has winds, he should relax. Forgive me if I say he all the time, but I've only had boys. He or she will relax, and it will help to move things along in his little digestive system. Now onto the side lunge. Remember to do some jiggles in between to help get those winds out. Do it nice and slowly and carefully so you maintain a good grip on your baby. You want to stretch out as far as you can to enhance the suppleness in your legs and your muscles, still engaging your core. Really pull in your tummy button and keep your abs tight. Now for some donkey kicks. Keep yourself as upright as possible, your spine as tendered and aligned as possible, and keep a good grip on your baby. Lift that leg as high as you can. The idea here is to become supple again, and also raising your leg really high will develop the muscles further. Do it slow and controlled, and once again, as many as you can handle. Take a break, drink some water, do a bit of a warm-up again. Just keep moving even if you can't finish the exercise. Now onto the sideways kick. This one is great for working on the muscles on the sides of your legs and also for those hip dips if you have any. I'm enjoying just working on those and trying to develop the muscles on my hips. Great for giving the baby a bit of a jiggle, just like all the other ones I'm doing to help burp him. This one is great. I love to do it because it works out your booty, which has been having a real relaxing time during your pregnancy, and it needs some work. So place baby on your middle, raise up, making sure to clench those glutes, hold it for a few seconds and down again. It's good for your core as well. I'm doing at least 20. I will even do a couple of more rounds later on in the workout just to ensure I'm giving that booty a good workout. Now for some more core workout and also to work out those arms. You are going to pass the baby from side to side over your stomach. It's a great time just to engage with your baby, talk to him, smile at him. Just pass him from one side to the other, doing this, raising him slowly and carefully. Then onto our squats. I don't have very strong knees, so what I do is turn my toes outward, almost like a plie, and I do my squats like that. It's a little easier on my knees. But whatever works for you, go for it. Keep your back straight, your core engaged, and you can push your behind out quite far as you go down and slowly up again. Remember to breathe in and out so your muscles get all the oxygen it needs. It also is very good for your brain, clears your mind. Breathe in through your nose deeply and out through your mouth. Then onto our forward lunge. Just stay nice and composed, nice and upright, and just remember keeping that core engaged, because that is our main concern, is to tighten that tummy and pull in your waist. Always the best way to end a workout is with a bit of a cool down. So take just 2 or 3 minutes, rock your baby back and forth. You just want to keep your body moving gently. Take some deep breaths, relax your muscles, feel the stretch, do some stretches, and you're done. Doesn't it feel good? I just love that feeling of oxygen coursing through my veins and the stretched muscles. It feels like I've just had a massage. Well done. Remember, this is not designed to be completed all in one go. If you have the time and your baby lets you, by all means do it. It is really great to keep your heart rate up for at least 20 minutes every day. So go for it. If not, if your baby is not happy with it, just do 1 or 2, or even figure out some that work for you. But just remember to avoid the sit-ups, crunches, planks and push-ups. So well done for doing your first workout. Keep it up. You're doing great. I know you can do it. I'll catch you next time. I'll be sharing my progress with you, and I love to hear how it goes with you and how your baby's responded to these workouts. So let me know in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.